Hello, everyone. I'm James. Welcome back to Easy English for You. Today, let's think about one question. Is there a shortcut in life?
Yes, I am looking for the shortcut in life. Sometimes I feel I already missed my chance.
Please speak freely.
Every birthday makes me nervous. My friends are buying houses. My children are growing. My parents are getting older. Sometimes I feel I am already late. I am looking for the truth. I have read many books and studied philosophy. Wise teachers all say almost the same thing. If someone already climbed the mountain, why must I start from the bottom alone? If there is a shortcut to learning skills, why is there no shortcut to life itself? Then what is life?
Before we answer that, let me tell you a small story. A young man came to an old monk. He asked, "Master, how can I become wise as fast as possible?" The monk smiled. He said, 10 years. Then the young man said, "What if I work twice as hard?" Then the monk answered, 20 years.
I know this story, but that does not answer the question. Hard work should make things faster, should it not?
Sometimes, but tell me, if a child wants to become 40 years old by next week, what should the child do?
That's impossible.
Why?
Because time cannot be skipped.
Exactly. And that is my first answer to you today. How old are you?
43.
Do you have a job, a family, a place to sleep tonight?
Yes, I have them all.
Then tell me, which part of your life is truly late?
That is not my point. I mean life, not simple survival.
What makes a life meaningful to you?
Happiness, I think.
Happiness every single day without exception?
No, of course not.
Then happiness comes and happiness also goes. Can something that comes and goes be a destination?
I think happiness is not the destination.
Then what is your true destination?
Honestly, I do not know. That is why I came.
Now we know something important. You are searching for a shortcut, but you do not know your own destination.
I disagree. I want to become my best self.
Who taught you that sentence?
I honestly do not know.
When you say, "my best self," who decides best?
Society, maybe. Family, teachers, culture, history.
So the answer was never truly yours.
Maybe not, now that I think about it.
We never truly asked, what is life itself? Please, try to answer it in your own words.
Aristotle said good habits make the best kind of life. Buddhism says life is freedom from suffering. Lao Tzu said just follow nature without forcing it. They all give different words, but all point somewhere.
Those are beautiful ideas, but what do you think?
Honestly, I'm no longer sure.
I am not sure is an honest answer.
I thought life was like a long journey. We are born, we walk, we learn, we grow. Then one day we reach our true place.
Who told you that story?
Every culture uses the same words. A road, a destination.
Words are not reality. If I draw an apple, can you eat it? They're only pictures. When you say life is a journey, what exactly is the true destination?
Peace, perhaps.
Have you ever lost your own peace?
Many times.
Then peace, too, is not always waiting for you.
Every answer I give seems to fall apart.
Yes, you keep using changing things as a final destination.
Then perhaps the destination is simply death.
Death is an ending, but is it a goal? Nobody wakes up and says, I want to get closer to death. An ending is not always a purpose.
Then maybe life has no destination at all.
Maybe. Look again, more closely this time. Aristotle did not simply say, arrive somewhere. He talked about doing good things every single day.
That is true. He never talked about an ending.
Buddhism does not say, hurry to a perfect state. It says, look at your own mind right now, today.
I only remembered the goal. I forgot the daily part.
They all spend far more time explaining how to live rather than where to arrive.
I never noticed that before.
Because you were always searching for a destination, so every book looked like a map to you. Is a cookbook truly a map? No, it teaches you how to cook. Does learning itself ever truly come to an end?
No, learning never really ends.
Then why do you believe life should end at some perfect destination?
Because I think I simply wanted to feel sure. If there is a destination somewhere ahead, then I know that I am not wasting my life.
So perhaps you were never seeking a shortcut. Perhaps you were only seeking proof all along.
Proof of what exactly?
Proof that your life is heading the right way. When you were 5 years old, did you enjoy playing?
Yes, very much so.
Did you ask, will this game help my future career?
No, of course not. I was just a child.
When your own child first smiled at you, did you ask, is this smile closer to my goal?
Of course not. That would be a strange thought.
Then why do you ask that question now about the rest of your entire life?
Because somewhere along the way, I stopped living. I started only measuring things instead of living. Measuring my age, my money, my success. Measuring myself against everyone else around me. I believed that measuring was the same as living.
And was it truly the same in the end?
No, it was only comparing again and again.
Yes, comparing is not living. It is only comparing.
Then, is there truly no shortcut at all?
There are shortcuts to skills, to knowledge, to money, but your own life is different from these things. No one else can breathe the air for you. No one else can love other people for you. No one else can forgive for you. No one else can understand your own heart for you. These things cannot be borrowed and cannot be skipped. They must be lived, slowly, one day at a time.
I think I finally understand this now. I spent my whole life searching for a shortcut.
No, you spent your whole life searching for something else. You were searching for someone else's destination.
Then I never once asked myself a simple question. Where do I truly and honestly want to go?
Yes, that is why every shortcut felt empty. When you do not know your own destination, every road in life will feel wrong to you. But when you understand how you truly want to live, every honest step becomes the right road for you. So do not rush to arrive somewhere far away. First, learn how to walk with an honest heart. Life was never asking you to reach a destination. It was only asking you to become someone who can walk their own path with an honest heart. That, my friend, is one journey with no shortcut. But it is also the only journey you'll never regret. Friends, maybe life was never asking for a shortcut. Stop comparing. Start walking your own honest path today. If this video touched your heart even a little, please turn on notifications for the next video. Please leave a comment and tell me your own thoughts. Thank you so much for listening today, my friends. Keep going and keep growing. See you next time.